Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Hey guys, Stephen R. Ford from R. Ford Fortune. Oh my God, indeed. We just gone over, or gone past Gabriel, the storm that hit New Zealand just recently. And it just happened a couple of days ago. So we're all good, all good. Thank God for that. And we're ready to face the new day and new blessings that has. Today's date is the 15th of February 2023. And what we got today is Litecoin auto mining. I made a video of this before, so I'm just recap on some the actions that's been happening. More importantly, if you're going to join these apps, consider strongly. You're not just joining, you are joining a system that requires investment. Investment means you got to give up some of your wages or your money to be able to catch a lot of these profits that these mining apps provide. So in this case, as I said, Litecoin is the catch. And if you see up the top corner, left corner here, Litecoin at the moment is $94.97 for one coin. Now, if we look through some of the opportunities of the contracts, now bear in mind, when we're buying these, you're buying a contract. The contract is not varied or deterred or determined by the price of Litecoin. Once the contract that you signed up, that you pay for, that's exactly what you're going to get. For example, let's say you put $1,000 in investment. This is US $1,000. Every day you're going to get $58.50 every day. Now, let me calculate that. $1,000 times 58.5, 58.50 times 30. 30 means 30 days, because if you can see here, they only last for 30 days, the contract. You will make from your $1,000 $755. That's it. That's the contract. 700 profit. That's the profit you're going to make. You might look at it and say, hey, it's not much in a month. Of course, some people will say that, but I guarantee you what, this is guaranteed money. You put in $1,000, you get $700 in a month. But you can collect it every day at $58.50. I am doing this and I'm collecting and I'm transferring it to my bank. I'm going to show you those results in a few moments, but I needed to show you these opportunities. These are not determined by any cryptocurrency price fluctuation that goes up and down. These are contract totally different. Once you pay for it and once it's allocated and verified for your account, that's exactly how much you're going to get. For example, here's one here contract, 30 days again for $5,000, and they pay you $308 every single day for 30 days. Now let's put that into perspective. $308 times 30 equals $9,240. So you get about $4,000 and a bit off your $5,000 investment in a month. You might say, is this guaranteed? Yes, of course. It's guaranteed because I'm getting some myself. That's why I'm making this video, to verify the fact. Litecoin, auto mining, it's one of those websites that you can rely they are paying. At this stage, they are paying. I don't know what's going to happen in the future, but all I can say is at this point of time, they are paying me every day. I've just taken out a payment this morning, or another one I think yesterday. And let's go straight to that. But the more importantly, these are contracts. Once they sit in concrete, that's exactly what you're going to get. So that means you're budgeted for next month. So each month, if you say you reinvest $5,000 and you're getting $4,000 every month, if you take that into equation, 4,240. Now 4,220 times 12. This is 12 months a year. Your new income, if you just keep reinvesting this $5,000 every month, you'll be up to $50,000 a year annual income. Now, take that into considerations. That means go and get a bank loan. A bank loan, say $5,000, will be paid off in no time. And you're getting 5% commission. Also, if you refer program to other people. I am part of that referral program. So if you sign up under this link that I'm sending you, you are under my referral commission. And that's an extra bit of money that I can get from referral. So you're not just only going to make money from the contract. You can also make money referral. What is referral? Referral means that you take your personal link to this website, which you will have one. And now let me show you mine. That's my one. And the one that you're probably looking at to join this will come through this link of mine. Now you'll have one yourself, and all you do is copy this and promote it in your social media for people to join. So if they join, they come under you. And if you join on this link of mine, you'll be coming under me and it will look like something like this. I'll be your upline because I introduced that to you. And up the top here, you'll have my name there. It just means that you have signed up because I introduced it to you and you clicked on that link. Now, the same with you. If you refer your link in the future to somebody, up the top here, that's mine, and you'll have your own up the top. And the people join because of you, you will start to get what that's called referral, 5% of what these people will be probably investing into Litecoin auto mining. That's another income generating system. And it can be a referral if this company continues into the future and do great things like they have suggested and like what they have written. Let me show it to you. If you read this article, this is the article put out by the company. They're already up 250,000 members so far, about 5,000 people joining every day. So there's a lot of people joining LTC auto mining. Now, it's also predicted that somewhere in here they predicted the Litecoin will be up to $1,000 in the future. Well, I mean, that's their own predictions. And if it does, you'll be a happy, very, very happy person, of course. Here we go here. I believe that Litecoin will reach more than 5,000 to 10,000 in the future, of course. These are all speculative, and I can't guarantee that. But if it does, then you'll be laughing to the bank, of course. And mining coins, it's a pretty simple process. You only got to go to your Binance or your crypto exchange, transfer some money from your bank into one of these cryptocurrency exchange like Binance, Crypto.com, Coinbase, CoinSpot, and transfer the money then into Litecoin or wherever you want to make the purchases from. I'm going to show you a bit of deposit history. Now, I've already deposited a small amount. I've deposited the first one, $50, lasted for a month in November. I just renewed, upgraded. I should have done this long ago, but I was mucking around with something else, unfortunately. Then I just recently put another $55 into it in February 6th. That's going to last another 30 days from that date of February 6th. And on the 14th, I put in another $90 on top of what it's already there. That means you take it back to speed up Litecoin mining. Just because you have bought one contract, it doesn't mean you can buy one. You can't buy another one the next week. For example, you want this to continue like a residual income. So every month you're getting a residual income. If you apply it in the sense that you work every week and you get a little bit of income coming in, all you need to do is say, come into here and click on this one. And if you say you have $90, then you'll have 3 times off the contract. Then you're buying 3 times off this contract. But if you have $300, it's easy. Just go click on there, pay your $300 US, and you'll be looking forward to getting $16.50 every day. $15 if you're paying $300. Let's have a look at that. $16.50 times 30 equals $495 you'll be making on top. $195 profit from your $300. That's how simple it is. Calculating that sort of simplicity, and I can guarantee you, you will get paid. Okay, let's go to my deposit. I think I showed you my earning. See how much that I'm earning every day. Let's start with yesterday, 14th. Okay, let's pull up all the 14th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 payments. Okay, 14th. Let's start. Here's one payment. It's not much, of course, but this is one payment from, this is an earning, 4.50% a commission. This is a commission from one of the referrals. And of course, I made here a withdrawal request there, and that's gone already into my bank account. But see, you can withdraw a small amount into your cryptocurrency account, which are now refer bank account. It's the same sort of thing. Now, that's on the 14th. And now let's look at the 13th. As you can see, there's a lot of transaction on 13th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, and a lot more. Oh my God, that's a lot. That's a lot of payment. Although it doesn't show as much, it's still showing the results of what this mining app is doing. Just imagine, if you were investing it yourself and you're putting substantial amount of money into the system, say between $1,000 to $5,000 US, you'll be withdrawing quite a bit of money from this app. I guarantee it, because like I said, I'm already transferring money from here into crypto.com. And again, I'm going to show you the withdrawal histories. On withdrawal, that's one there, $2.48. Another one here, $4.76. And that's on the 14th. That's 2 in a day. Oh, here's another one. Oh, that's on the 12th. That's on the 12th, $5.80. 11th, $3.33. On the 9th, $7.50. 7th of February, $9.40. 31st of January, $11.60. These are actual withdrawal that I have already taken into my bank account. Now, if we go back to that full total, it will show how much I've already taken out, the profits that I'm making so far. So it does pay. And because my deposits are only small, of course, that's the relativity to what I'm getting. And as you can see, my deposit's only up to, say, 140. These two, this one's expired. So only these two are active at this point of time. So that's about 140 bucks, I think, $45 in action. I'm going to put a bit more later once I get more cash to really pump the Litecoin into action. And I do encourage, don't just join these apps, join with the expectation you've got to put a bit of money in it. I've already shown you. These are also, remember, US dollars. Don't be misled that your currency is this amount. No, it's American dollars. So you've got to do a little bit of conversion, find yourself what it's called a currency converter. It's easy to find them up here now in Google. Bring one of these up, change these to your currency, or you put your US dollar up here first, then whatever your currency is, you change to your country. It will automatically change that for you depending on how much you want to put up here. It will show exactly how much in your currency that you have to pay. Don't forget the bank charges you also for changing your currency into say Binance to start purchasing these. So there is hidden costs like exchange costs, transfer fee. Just beware of those costs, okay? That's just part of the industry. We can't avoid it. We just got to pay for it and move on and capture some of these wonderful payments for yourself. Now, what else can I say except for the fact it is paying me? I'm transferring it to my bank account without failure. More importantly, I think this is it. More importantly, is this. Just join, put your money in it, and you'll see straight away. If you purchase this today, but tomorrow, the next day, you'll start to see earning showing up on your earning history. Will start showing up on here straight away. It will also show your deposit. As you can see, my deposit has shown up here. The earning hasn't shown up, only because I just recently just loaded it on the 14th. Perhaps the end of the day or tomorrow, I'm going to start seeing the results from that extra investment. And I look forward to making another video to show that. As you can see, if you look back on my videos, today's income or balance, it's only 85 cents. By the next 24 hours, it's stated here. The balance is updated. That will reflect also on that deposit that was made just recently. As you can see, it was only done on the 14th. So we're going to see substantial sort of income generated from the Litecoin mining app. Anyway, this is Stephen R4 from iPhone Fortune. Stay away from scams. There's plenty of them out there. You just got to be aware of them. I've been hit by many of them, and I'm not proud of the fact. Be aware. If anybody offers you substantial promises and links, beware of those links. A lot of those links that I've accepted have all become fraudulent and scamish, and I lost quite a bit of money through those areas. So be careful. Not happy to to announce that, but I've been caught out. So be careful out there. Beware of people who's offering you links. Links has to be authorized by, say, a website like this to verify their true identity to a certain degree. Otherwise, make a lot more research just before you give your money away. Look after yourself. We love you. God loves you. And we'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.